Hi everybody, my name is Carlos Andres Perez. I have 35 years old. My occupation is assistant of security. My marital status, I am a happily a married man. So I am happy person. I like very much to study and I am a loving person with me family. I live in the city of Bogota, exactly in the area of Boston. This is my second activity.
Hey, excuse me? Can you help me?
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Can you bring me a cup of coffee, please?
One moment, please.
Thank you. Hey, could you pass the sugar, please?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. It's very good to hear here. Thank you for your service.
It's a pleasure to serve you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.